Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add default description for your YouTube channel in YouTube. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click here on settings. In settings, you want to go to upload defaults, and then you got it here. So this is where you just add a description and just edit whatever you want, and when you will have it, click save, and when you will got it, what will happen is that you're good to go. You're good to go. Really easy, really simple. And now when you're gonna upload a video, you will have this default description already on every video you upload. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.